हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीक की कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर और बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस टूल से रिलेटेड। अगर आपके पास इस फील्ड में एक्सपीरियंस है और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर, देन दिस वीडियो इज अ मस्ट वॉच फॉर यू। और आपके पास स्किल्स हैं लाइक पावर बीआई, टैबल्यू, पाइथन और सीक्वल, देन आल्सो यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर द जॉब पोस्ट। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द सैलरी एंड अदर पर्क्स दीस कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। But इससे पहले for my new audience, let me introduce myself. My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber, and a job search consultant as well. And I've almost 8+ years of experience recruiting people for different skills like Power BI, business analytics, data science, etc. So if you do not want to lose out a single job opportunity related to these domains, then do subscribe this channel right away. Follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. तो भी मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स के लिंक्स हैं वो मैंने ऑलरेडी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में ड्रॉप कर दिए हैं, सो डू चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एज वेल। और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है जहाँ पे मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करता हूँ कुछ जॉब रिलेटेड टू दीज डोमेन्स अलॉन्ग विद जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। तो आपने अगर अभी तक मेरा इंस्टाग्राम पेज फॉलो नहीं किया तो डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, तो डू नॉट मिस टू चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एज वेल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है या किसी भी तरह से वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है एंड इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो यू वुड लाइक टू सी सिमिलर जॉब नोटिफिकेशन, then do press the like button, share it with your needy friends, and also share your feedback in the comment section so that I'll keep posting jobs related to these topics. Now let's jump to the laptop screen and see what are the jobs available for this week.
तो फ्रेंड्स आके हमने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ पावर बीआई डेवलपर और बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस रोल के लिए। वीडियो आगे बढ़े उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिमाइंडर अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च ग्रुप फॉर यू, जहाँ पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली बेसिस पे 2 से 3 जॉब्स अलॉन्ग विद द जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। तो अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल फॉलो नहीं किया तो डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे सो दैट यू वोंट मिस आउट एनी सिंगल जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज माइंडक्वेड, हायरिंग फॉर पावर बीआई डेवलपर, एक्सपीरियंस 1 to 3 years, location is in Ahmedabad, salary 4 to 9 lakhs per annum, and education bachelor's degree in maths, stats or computer science. What you need to do as a Power BI developer, that is design, develop and deploy custom business applications using Microsoft Power Applications, create data models, user interface and workflows within Power Apps, integrate Power Apps with the other Microsoft services such as SharePoint, Power BI and Microsoft 365, provide training and support to end users on using Power Apps solution efficiently, and stay up to date with the latest features and updates in the Microsoft Power Platform. And if I'll talk about the technical skills, what you need to have is proficiency in Power Apps, formulas, expressions, and controls. 1 to 2 years of experience developing application using Microsoft Power Applications. Strong understanding of data structures and database. Experience with Microsoft Power Automation is a plus, and proven ability to manage multiple tasks and prioritize effectively. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you're interested for the job post, you can find the link in the description box and you can click on this link. Second job in the list is Informatica, hiring for Power BI developer or data engineer, experience 2 to 3 years, location is Pune, Hyderabad and Chennai, salary competitive, education bachelor's degree in maths or stats or related field. Roles and responsibilities: report development, design visually appealing and informative reports using Power BI based on the published data models, data ingestion, monitor data sources and initiate data ingestion process to ensure the availability of up-to-date data for analysis. ETL maintenance, review and maintain ETL pipelines, addressing any issues or failures that may arise during data extraction. Further data quality checks, you need to perform collaboration with Tableau and Power BI developers, data analysts and other partners to understand their data needs and provide necessary support. And documentation, maintain documentation for ETL process. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And some technical skills what they are looking for: Power BI PL300 certification you should have completed, understanding of DEX, familiarity with DEX performance optimization techniques and best practices, ensure that report maintain performance and responsiveness even when dealing with large data sets, and IDMC data integration skills to design data pipelines that extract, transform and load data from multiple sources. So these are some technical skills for this job post, and if you find yourself suitable for the job post, you can click on this link which is available in the description box to apply. Third company in the list is WNS, hiring for lead associate Power BI developer. Location is in Gurgaon. Salary 2 to 4 lakhs, 2 to 4 years, and education MCA, BE, BTech, and salary they have not disclosed, but that is competitive. What you need to do as a lead associate: understand data relationships and using the data to design and develop effective visualization and reports in Power BI desktop. Create user-friendly and insightful Microsoft Power BI reports and visualization based on technical specifications. Translate technical requirements into application code and modules. Troubleshoot and resolve issues in a timely fashion, communicating updates as determined. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And if I talk about the technical skills, what you need to have: skilled in data modeling techniques, transformation and data cleansing to ensure that data is structured and optimized for analysis and reporting. SQL expertise: understanding of SQL is proficient in writing complex queries, joins, sorted procedures and functions to manipulate and retrieve data from database. You should also know report and dashboard design, expertise in designing compelling and interactive reports and dashboards. Further in-depth knowledge of the Power BI platform, including Power BI desktop, service, query, text, and data modeling. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link, which is available in the description box. Fourth company in the list is SEARCHURCOLLEGE, hiring for reporting analyst, Power BI Tableau, experience 1 to 3 years. Location is Noida. Education: bachelor's degree in computer science, stats or related field. Salary they are offering 4 to 8 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: work independently and as part of a team to design, develop, test and implement dashboard reports. Work with business and leadership teams to ensure deliverable, fulfill requirements and quality levels. Manage and coordinate software releases from development, testing and deployment to production. Required skills: 1 to 3 years of experience in developing dashboards and reports in Tableau or Power BI. Strong SQL and database program experience gained through either SQL Server, Oracle, or MySQL. Performance tuning experience related to reporting queries required. Excellent verbal and written communication skills, and strong analytical skills with the ability to collect, organize, analyze, and disseminate significant amount of information with attention to detail and accuracy. So these are some required skills and roles and responsibilities for this job post. And if you have experience of minimum 1 year in creating some dashboard related to Power BI, then you can apply for the job post, and this link is available in the description box. Let's move to the fifth job, which is for the company name UKG Ultimate Kronos Group, hiring for Power BI DEX Analyst, experience 2 to 3 years. Location is in Noida. Education: BA or BS degree or equivalent practical experience. Salary 5 to 7 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: leveraging data-driven business decisions to drive the UKG1 harmonization roadmap, consolidating and or removing disparate legacy system and process, creating a unified, efficient operational UKG. Further partner with the GDS, BSS system owners and cross-functional business leaders and reporting SMEs. Further, you'll be responsible for supporting a proactive auditing function to identify process and workflow inconsistencies that could lead to a loss of data integrity. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a Power BI DEX analyst. And technical skills this company is looking for: Power BI and Excel skills with knowledge of data transformation, data modeling, proficiency in building complex reports across OpenAI, Air, Salesforce, and IBM Congos preferred. A strong desire to identify data gaps and creative thinking in pattern analysis. Attention to detail with the ability to drill down into very technical considerations, and self-starter and autonomous ability to multitask and work independently. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post, and this link you can get in the description box to apply for this job post. Sixth company in the list is XYENTA, hiring for Power BI developer. And if you're looking for remote job opportunity, then you can apply for the job post. Roles and responsibilities: you'll work closely with our technical teams, building high quality interactive dashboards and models along with hands-on administration. Required skills: expert in automation, authoring interactive Power BI reports and models with extensive knowledge of DAX, Power Query, M language. Further, some experience of building logical data models to support requirements and analytics. Strong experience of SSAS tabular models, understanding of Power BI infrastructure components like on-premise data gateway and Power BI reporting server. Other must-haves: strong analytical and problem-solving skills, further able to conduct code reviews on the work done by other team members of the team, ability to mentor junior members of the team, should keep work at hand organized and structured, able to create templates, establish own dashboards based on client inputs. And if you are interested for the job post, you can click on this link, which is available in the description box. Seventh job in the list is Scale Up LE, hiring for business intelligence developer, experience fresher. It means if you are looking for any fresher job opportunity, then you can apply for the job post. Location: Delhi. Education: bachelor's, master's degree in computer science, IT, or other similar degrees. Salary: 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: develop and maintain data models using Power BI desktop and Power BI service. Ensure data accuracy and consistency. Stay up to date on the latest Power BI features and best practices. And to apply for the job post, you need to have certain required skills. These are good knowledge on connecting to multiple data sources and building data sets in Power BI and writing SQL queries. Knowledge and skills for secondary tools such as Microsoft Azure, SQL Data Warehouse, Visual Studio, etc. Excellent analytical thinking for translating data into information, visuals, and reports. Further experience of working with MIS WFM system is preferred, and good knowledge in connecting to multiple data sources, building data sets in Power BI, and knowledge and skill of secondary tools such as Microsoft Azure, SQL Data Warehouse, Visual Studio, etc. So these are some technical skills for the job post, and if you have experience or if you have knowledge of these skills like SQL, Power BI, Microsoft Azure, then you can apply for the job post, and this link is available in the description box, where you can click on this link and you can land to the career page of this company. So friends, these are 7 jobs for this week, and I hope you like the video. So if you have any feedback or suggestion, you can also post in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.